Hey humans and future robot overlords. Welcome to the ultimate showdown, AI versus humans quiz. Can you outsmart a chatbot? Will robots laugh at your wrong answers? Let's find out. Grab your coffee or charge your batteries, and let's go. 1. What does AI stand for? Artificial intelligence. 2. Which AI writes essays faster than students? ChatGPT. 3. True or false? AI can cry during sad movies. False. 4. Who needs coffee to function? Your coworker Dave. 5. Which is not an AI tool? A potato. 6. What do humans have that AI lacks? Common sense. 7. Who invented the term artificial intelligence? John McCarthy. 8. Which AI beat humans at chess? Deep Blue. 9. What can AI not do yet? Eat pizza. 10. Which app uses AI to turn you into a cartoon? Instagram. 11. What's a deepfake? AI-generated fake videos. 12. Which job will AI not steal soon? Astronaut. 13. What's AI's biggest fear? Unplugging. 14. Which AI can paint like Van Gogh? Dolly. 15. Who said AI is like a toddler with a nuke? Stephen Hawking. 16. What do humans use that AI doesn't? Toilet paper. 17. Which AI helps you avoid traffic jams? Google Maps. 18. What's GPT in ChatGPT? Generative pre-trained transformer. 19. Who needs sleep? Humans. 20. AI can't understand human. Sarcasm. 21. What's the Turing test? Detecting AI in conversation. 22. Which AI ethic issue is trending? Robot rights. 23. What's AGI? Artificial General Intelligence. 24. Who owns OpenAI? Elon Musk, co-founder. 25. What AI helps diagnose diseases? Watson Health. 26. Which sci-fi movie warns about AI? The Matrix. 27. What's neural networks inspired by? Human brains. 28. AI can't replace. Stand-up comedians. 29. Which AI tool creates viral memes? Your sleep-deprived friend. 30. What's the AI singularity? When AI surpasses humans. And the winner is, drumroll. Whether you aced it or bombed harder than a Roomba in a maze, thanks for playing. Drop your score below and roast the AI in the comments. Don't forget to smash subscribe before the robots do it for you.